Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet some bag handles, and you can make them any length from just a shoulder bag to a crossbody bag. So let's get started. These purse handles can be made with any size yarn and any size hook. These are 2 strands of a cotton yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. These are made with the boucle yarn and 1 strand of worsted weight and a 6.5mm hook. These are made with a 5.5mm hook and 1 strand of worsted weight yarn. Today I'm going to do a demo with cotton yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Leave a long enough yarn end for sewing the bag handles onto the bag. Start with a slip knot. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in that same stitch. So 1 and 2. So 3 double crochet all in the same stitch, and this is going to take the place of the first double crochet. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Each row is going to be exactly the same. So skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. So the pattern is developing, and it's a double crochet, a skipped stitch, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip stitch, and a double crochet. So I'll do 1 more row, 1, 2, so that's equivalent to my first double crochet. Turn, skip the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, like that. And today I'm going to use these black ones to show you the granny square purse. And as you can see, there's the pattern. It's a double crochet, skip a stitch, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, skip a stitch, a double crochet. And this will only stretch so much. Once you have made this the length you need, then you can just fasten off and leave a long enough yarn end for sewing it onto the bag, and it will stretch to its maximum, which is not very much. And I made this small purse with this granny square, and I'll put a link on how to make this granny square at the end of this video. So first I work the granny square, and then I just double crochet back and forth on this side until this was long enough that it was the same size as the front section. And then I threaded the yarn end into a needle, and I folded it in half, and then I sewed along this side and on the bottom. Like that, all down the side and across the bottom. And then I pinned a zipper to the top, and with a needle and thread I sewed the zipper. And you could attach your purse charm to the zipper. And then to sew the handles on, you just come to the end and wrap them slightly around and use the yarn end to sew the bag handle on. And to be sure it's really secure, I'm going to work my way back across. and then weave the yarn end into the work. Like that. And then I'll sew this one on as well. And so you could either attach your purse charm to the zipper or attach it here in the center through the petal of the flower and the purse and let it hang down in the front. And if you'd like to learn how to line your bag, I'm going to put a link in the comments below on how to line a bag. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.